guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, me and my team are going to present our final report to you guys. Before we start, let me introduce myself and my partner on this project. I'm Yumna as the moderator, and there's also my partner. Let's get started. For the first point will be delivered by Aji. For Aji, time is yours.
Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Aji Prabowo, so I will start this from the background and the purpose of this project. Uh, Technology is important to help improve student English skill. As we know, technology is very important in this era. Um, every teaching and learning situation, teachers should using technology to make learning more enjoyable and fun to help students improve their English skill. This project focus on the lesson designed for 7th grade student junior high school 16 Jambi City to improve their reading and writing skill. Yeah, this project focus on two skill, reading and writing, through innovative and enjoyable methods, which is using technology. Uh, uh, this project, we use several technologies such as YouTube, Quizlet, Bloom Education, Google Docs, Canva, and etc. To create more enjoyable learning activity and also make students don't bored learn in the class. Some example that we create the lesson plan to focus on vocabulary using quizzes, reading descriptive text using Lumi, writing their own description using Google Docs, and presenting um, their their work. Yeah, by the end of the lesson, we expected that the student understand and use vocabulary related to the topic. Yeah, the topic is in this lesson plan is describing room, and also not only can understand the vocabulary, student can comprehend simple descriptive text, write simple sentences, and short paragraph describing room, collaborative with teamwork, and present in the class. So when we observe the in the school, we got the information from the teacher about, yeah, this school is very supporting in using technology. The school using our provide the Wi-Fi to support the internet, and also for the computer is very support. But the problem is student have limitation in using English in school. It is this because not native speaker. Yeah, as we know. Uh, this project um, to as to solve the problem by using technology to improve their English learning skills or proficiency. This project is focused to teacher and student to improve or improve and as a tools or using technology to help student, and also for teacher. Teacher can provide this technology and also get training to implement the project effectively. Yeah, okay, I think that's all from me, and I hope this lesson plan can help students in junior high school 16 Jambi City improve their learning skill. Okay, I think that's all from me. Back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Aji, for the nice explanation. Now, for the next point is methodology will be explained by myself. So, I will talk about our project design. So, the project at SMP Negeri Jambi City aimed to improve seventh graders' reading and writing skills, particularly in describing rooms using preposition, as Aji said earlier. So, it followed the ID model, a step-by-step process for designing lessons. First, we conducted surveys and interviews with teachers to analyze the students' current skills and identify areas for improvement. Then, we designed a plan with activities and tools to enhance their learning. After that, we developed the learning materials and prepared them for use. For validation, we conducted a mini evaluation with lecturers and teachers to ensure that the teaching scenarios we created was suitable for the students and the technology being used. Next slide, please. Okay, for the next point is about the procedures. So this project followed a clear plan to achieve its goals, starting with a meeting to discuss the objectives, set expectations, and ensure the activities aligned with the school's curriculum. Next, we incorporated modern learning tools to make lessons more engaging and interactive. We use Lumi Education for fun exercise, Canva for creating colorful presentation, and Quizlet for the vocabulary quizzes. Students also collaborated on journal essays using Google Docs. For the data collection, we conducted interviews with teachers, visited the schools to collect lesson plans, and used the English for Nusantara book along with online reference materials. Finally, the data analysis involves reviewing the interview results, lesson plans, and reference materials to assess the project's effectiveness. Okay, so I think that's all from my point. The next point will be explained by Anna. For Anna, time is yours.
Okay, thank you moderator for the opportunity. We move to the next slide. I want to explain about the validation result from this project. The teaching scenario that we developed has been validated by the lecturer of the TEL course and the English teacher at Junior High School 16 Jambi City. The validation results from the lecture are evaluating the alignment between the learning objective and the learning activities conducted by student is necessary to ensure that these activities have successfully achieved the established goal. And the validation results from the teacher are evaluated the learning activities in the teaching scenario that we created, considering the use of technology such as projectors and handphones by students. In addition, the teacher also provided suggestions regarding ideal learning hours so that the activities we plan could run smoothly. Okay, the next slide is about the challenges that we found to completing this project. In completing this project, we encountered two main challenges. First one is limit time. The time given to complete this project is very short, only 1 month. This becomes a major challenge for us because we have to divide our time effectively between working on this project and other assignments. This challenge becomes one of the main obstacles in completing this project. And the second one is confusion in created teaching scenario. We also experienced confusion while designing the teaching scenario. It was challenging to organize our ideas clearly and create an effective plan for the project. To overcome these challenges, we implemented the following solution. First one is dividing tasks efficiently. To address the problem of limit time, we divided the tasks among team members. This strategy allows us to work more efficiently and ensure that we complete the project on time. And the second one is consulting with the supervising lecturer. To resolve the confusion in the created teaching scenario, we asked advice from our supervising lecturer. His feedback helped us clarify our ideas, improve the teaching scenario, and organize the plan more effectively. By implementing this solution, we were able to overcome the challenges and successfully complete this project. I think that's all for me. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Anna, for the explanation. For the next point, will be delivered by Arpin. For Arpin, time is yours.
Thank you for the moderator give me the opportunity to present the last slide. Okay, in this slide, chapter 5, I will present about the result. In the result, have 2 points. First, findings, and last, conclusion. In findings, the project I'm enhancing the English reading and writing skills of 7th grade students at SMP 16 Kota Jambi, specifically focusing on the unit describing rooms. Also, formal assessment will not conduct, but the project involves the development of teaching scenarios designed to improve students' language skill through interactive and engaging methods. The following products were created as part of the project is a teaching scenario. In teaching scenario, we create 3 activity. First, pre-activity, while activity, and post-activity. In pre-activities, we create 4 points. First, the lesson begins with prayer led by the class leader, and next, the teacher checks the student attendance, and next, the teacher explains the learning objective, and last, the teacher display a YouTube video from the link that has been linked. Meanwhile, in while activities, we create 5 points. First, teacher explain the material after teacher display a YouTube video from the PowerPoint that has been provided and then displayed in the front of the class using a projector or infocus. Point 2, teacher distribute Quizlet links to students and then ask students to understand the vocabulary rooms and do some quizzes. And point 3, teacher distributes the reading activities link from the Lumi Education about describing and about in Lumi Education website, and then the teacher asks students to read the material about describing rooms. And point 4, after reading from groups into 7 of 5 students using the picker wheel website, and then the topic for each group has been determined and can be seen in the teaching scenario. Each group works on one topic is done using Google Docs. And last point, after the student present the results of each group in front of the class using an InFocus projector. In post activities, we create 2 points. The teacher gives feedback to each group based on what they have presented. And the last, the teacher asks 1 or 2 students to summarize what they have learned. Next. Okay, point in findings. Point 2 in finding is develop product design and visualization of developed product. In this, we create 3 types of developed product design. First, interactive quiz, 2 lesson plan, and 3rd, teaching training material. In interactive quiz, it means quiz to test students' understanding of vocabulary and room description. And this has purpose to measure student understanding of vocabulary and description skills. For the visual, like Lumi Education, Quizlet, and Picker Wheel. And number 2, lesson plan. Lesson plan, it means a lesson plan that includes pre-activity, while activity, and post-activity that I talked previous about describing rooms. And this lesson plan has proposed to structure, plan detailing objectives, activities, and assessment for the describing rooms unit. And the visual that we use is Google document or PDF. And the last, teacher training material. It's mean a guide to using technology and digital tools in teaching. So the purpose of this to provide clear guidelines for English for language teaching, and the visual that we use in teacher training material is YouTube, Canva, Quizzes, Quizlet, Lumi, and Pickerway. Okay, next slide. Okay, the last in conclusion. So the project planning for SMP and 16 Kota Jambi successfully developed resources aimed at enhancing vocabulary acquisition and integrating technology in language learning. Interactive methods such as quizzes and multimedia technology were designed to engage students and support their learning process. However, as the project has not yet been implemented, the lack of formal assessment limits the ability to measure its potential impact on reading comprehension, writing skill, and speaking fluency. In conclusion, the project highlights the potential benefits of technology integration in language learning and provides a foundation for future implementation. I think that's all for me. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Arpin, for the great explanation. I think that's all from my team's final report, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.